Step 2. Scenarios. In the next section, we will see the scenarios defined by all users from the company that is logged in. Usually, users can see the scenarios of all other users in the company. Private scenarios, however, are only viewable to the user who created them. Via the Action pop-up menu in the bottom left corner of the screen, you can select different functions. Selecting New creates a new empty scenario. You can specify the name and description of a new scenario and define the length of time that the scenario shall be analyzed. NOSCO generally works with 5 time frames, each with the same length. So identifying a time frame with 30 days will result in an overall time dimension of 150 days. You are free to define the time frames. Either select a shorter or a longer duration of one time frame, depending on the context of the actual scenario. Activating the option Private will allow the actual scenario to be viewable only by you and not by other registered users of your company. Furthermore, all definitions made in a private scenario will not be regarded in the Swarm Intelligence evaluation. The brokerage function automatically delivers intelligent abstracts about developments, risks, and solution strategies via email to permitted users. Save the scenario by clicking the OK button. Now, instead of defining a new scenario and creating all the variables and interrelations, you can also subscribe to predefined scenarios published by other users of NOSCO. Select the function Subscribe in the Action pop-up menu. On the following page, you can see all the published scenarios. Selecting one of the scenarios, NOSCO displays which variables are regarded in this scenario and what the average rating is as scored by other users. In case you want to subscribe to this scenario for the specified monthly fee, just click on Subscribe and follow the instructions provided. We have noticed an interesting web business incident in which users publish their scenarios and/or subscribe to the scenario templates of other users for a fee. By continuously receiving feedback and validation of the scenario's content, the quality improves. If you would like to test NOSCO, please select the Test Scenario function in the Action pop-up menu, then follow the steps outlined there. Double-click your scenario in the scenario list or choose the Select function in the Action pop-up menu.